Okay, y'all. So today is Thursday, March 21st, and I got on here because the vending machine is going to Oklahoma. Okay, it's going to Quail Springs Mall in Oklahoma. I haven't really let nobody in on the process because it's not it's like my first go around, and I wanted to get familiar with how to obtain the location and whatnot. They sent the leaks yesterday. Let me show y'all. So I wanted to document this and sign it on the camera. I've already read over it and whatnot, but yeah, I'm really scared, but I feel like it's gonna do good. The shipment for the lashes that's going in the machine comes today. After it, they told me it wasn't gonna come till next week, so I feel like everything is most definitely working in my favor and whatnot. Because I mean, granted, I got the machine, but now that it's actually time to take it, it's oof. So yeah, so sign, fill in, sign. Look, y'all. I'm so scared. I don't know why. I don't think I'm scared. It's just the what ifs, but I know it's gonna do good. I know it's gonna do good. It has no choice but to do good. I'm about to hit finish. I did it. I did it. You are done signing. Let me take a picture on my phone. Cool, y'all. Oh my God. A copy of this document will be sent to your email address when completed by all signers. Scary shit. So I guess I'll be back when the lashes get here. I ordered over 50 plus new lash styles that I have to take pictures of, edit, upload them to the vending machine and whatnot. So yeah, that's more than likely what y'all be seeing after this. And okay, so what time is it? Oh, I gotta watch. 7:14, and hold on, I'm trying to make sure my address not here. The lashes have arrived. This is the most biggest box of lashes that I've ever received. This is also the vending machine stock. This should have glue and stuff in it. I'm trying to make sure my address is out. So I guess I don't want to open it just yet, but yeah, it's over. I think I ordered over 50 different lash styles and glue, and that's 50 new lash styles. I discontinued a few of the 10 and the 15 because people wasn't really buying it. I may add it back. So, of original styles, I already had 40. I probably 20 and then 50 additional. So, I guess that's what 80 lash styles in total. So yeah. Okay, so here's our humongous box. It's so many different styles. Like, just to do like a size reference. So we're gonna open. And mind you, y'all see how this box is taped up. This is my literal first time opening it. And then I really think like, it's crazy that like, bro, then you wanna know what's also crazy? It's like, damn, God literally fixed it to where it's like, okay, Gio gone, you're gonna have enough time to do everything you need to do, like pictures and shit like that, you know? Like, when I tell y'all, it's crazy how, like, everything is kind of like, I just signed, well, I recorded it, but earlier, this is all in the same day, like, the clip earlier that y'all probably see, like, me signing the lease, this is all, like, the same day. And my lashes originally wasn't supposed to be here till next week, right? And so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wait to sign the lease a little, or I'm gonna, take a little bit longer with signing the lease. Cause I was like scared that the lashes weren't gonna come. Girl, when I tell y'all, I went to sign the lease, right? Signed the lease, they sent it back, that literally within like 10 minutes of me signing it. And because the mall manager had to sign off on the lease too, and I basically had to have a copy of that. But I was just like, oh, okay, I signed it. Soon as I go check, that shipped them through FedEx. But soon as I go like finish signing the lease, boom, I get a notification. These lashes said they weren't gonna be here till next Wednesday, like the 27th. It was like, oh, out for delivery. Like, after saying it was stuck in, I think, Indiana. I think that's where shipments go when they come from China, because my vendor is a China-based vendor, I think. And then the vendor for my vending machine is based out of Hong Kong. But, international. I think that's where international shipments go. Yeah, I don't even have nowhere to keep this. Like, that's how many lashes it is. Okay. Let me see. Let me scooch up back some. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side. Look at this. It's the new tubes. Okay, so I don't know if I can see that. It's basically, it still looks like the old tube. It said adollstrap, but then on this side it says moisturizing lip gloss. So that was a little rebrand we did. And then these are the new boxes. So I still tried to stay. It still says like visit us online, and it has a discount code on the back. But I wanted something like really cute and like, I mean, the box was already pink. It's still my same shade of pink. But I wanted something like cute, but like also like cost efficient. Cause my previous boxes, which y'all will definitely still see the previous box, the slide box that I had, but I didn't do that. Oh shit. Okay, and then this is also, I changed the bottles on my brush on lace glue. So it's still the same, like it has my logo, and then on this side it just says clear brush on lace glue. I said lace glue. Eyelash glue. Let me see. I literally, like, I'm posting on like Instagram and I'm posting on Instagram and recording right now. Because everybody's so excited to see everything. Everything came out so cute. It's also trying to figure out how I'm not the lip glosses. Well, I guess I can tell y'all now. Well, I told y'all earlier. The machine is going to, what's the name of that? Quail Springs Mall in Oklahoma. The lip glosses won't be in the machine, but they'll be online.
Okay.
Your mom. We're doing YouTube. Would you like to say hi to my vlog?
You edit that out.
Look.
Why the fuck you got all that shit?
It's lashes. It's from the vending machine.
No, ma'am. That's too much stuff to take pictures of. What's them little tubes right there?
Oh, this is the lip glosses.
Oh, you're recording actively.
Okay. Okay, so I haven't went through. It's a lot of lashes. But I know for a fact these is my 25mm. These are Italy. I don't know. Can y'all see? We're gonna get pictures. This is 25mm. These are called Italy. And then these is 25mm. These are Dreamer. I'm gonna like get everything uploaded like ASAP, but it is a lot of lashes, so I mean it's gonna be uploaded by the 1st, but it's like I have to take the pictures. You know, when you're an entrepreneur, you do everything, the marketing, the finding the products, scouting, all that extra shit. So yeah. So, let me show y'all some more. This is Dreamer. Oh, like this is 25mm as well. This is Air. They in plastic, so you can't like see the full wispiness, but I'ma like take pictures and stuff like that. So, this is all very exciting, but it's also very scary. Cause it's also like I have to make lip gloss. So.
What happened to the broom, y'all?
Oh, that's up.
Okay, so we're back. I'm actually just about to go through all the lashes. This is my notebook where I've like wrote down like how many lashes to get and whatnot. I'm about to sort them by length and then count them out, because some of these lashes aren't, majority of them are going to the machine, but like I'm keeping like 100, 200 to myself. So, just for like online and my makeup clients. So I'm about to just go through all of them, and then I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna start on pictures tonight. I probably do, just for the simple fact, But yeah. I've been watching Keisha Jabri on YouTube. I feel like we're kind of on the same, just starting makeup and stuff like that. So I've really been enjoying her videos. And yeah. So I'm going to go through these. It is 13. I got 13 new styles of 18mm. I got 11 new styles of the 20mm. And then I got 10 new styles of 25. And it's my first time selling 25 in years. So yeah, that's the thing. And that's with the little stuff that I've been posting on social media, that's what everybody's like, I want those. So I'm like, let me hurry up and get this shit uploaded on there. But yeah, so, well, not.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark in the frame, you're the one.
literally after I've sorted almost all of them out. This is gonna be 25. This is 20. And this is 18. I ordered the most of the 18, but I'm loving these 20s. I hate like, but it's a lot of 18s.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you live in me, boy. Yeah. Don't fuck me up.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Okay, y'all. So the hitch and stuff is on here. I had to go to my original reservation was at U-Haul, but U-Haul was doing some weird shit once I got there, so I was just like, So I went to Home Depot, got to Home Depot for the nigga not even to know how to attach the trailer. And granted, I knew how to do it, but it's my first time, so I really wanted to see somebody else do it. And he was just like, well, I don't know, and I don't feel comfortable sending you off since I don't know. So I literally paid. He hooked it up to my car at Home Depot, and then was like, I'm not comfortable or whatnot. Cool. That was still $100. Like, anyway, so I ended up getting the U-Haul. Easter is tomorrow, and it's like I still need my car, so I'm going to detach the trailer, and then we're just gonna reattach it tomorrow whenever we get ready to go. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do, and then mess with the vending machine. So yeah. Y'all, the damn thing started rolling. What the fuck? Okay.
Let me sit my stupid ass down. Bro, what am I doing?
I don't think it's nothing. I'm letting it, it's doing a slot test if y'all can't see. So basically, you know, I'm just running out of coils and stuff. Which one is it on? Oh, it's still up here. So this one, yeah. But I just got it running because it's been in a box. Sorry if y'all can hear my car. My phone's dying.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What do you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no lady. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
You know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York is shell. Now my kids are Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, yeah, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what
Hi vlog. Anthony is bullying me. Here, grab this explanation.
Hold on, we gotta, yeah, because he said he gotta use the restroom too, so that's what I'm trying to hurry up.
It's easy.
Put the camera on her ass. Anyway.
I would just like to tell the viewers that Bodacia really doesn't pay her workers enough. There's only 2 of us, so it really shouldn't be that hard. But she refuses to pay us. What do you have to say for yourself?
Clips, but as y'all can see, the vending machine is on the back. Oh, it's a Jeep pulling up next to me. Cammy and Anthony went in the gas station. We stopped we basically halfway there. We will get there at 9:57. It's 8:09. Damn. Scary shit. Cause we have to get there before 11. So, yeah. Very interesting. Okay, so I'll talk to y'all. I'm kind of like trying not to panic because I'm like, damn. But hopefully it doesn't take that fucking long. But yeah, I will talk to y'all shortly. I need to like panic really fast and then, you know, regroup. Hi vlog. I'm coming to you. What time is it? It's 12:59. April 2nd. So we ended up, I don't know what I told them last. No, we was getting food, I think.
Yeah, we was getting
Okay,
food.
so we were going back to the mall to put the picture, like basically check on the machine before we hopped on the road, basically. And the fucking car said engine hot. Engine hot. So we get out the car.
Yeah.
So it looked like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. It has oil and stuff at the bottom.
Like a month ago, but he should be at 13.
So we're basically waiting on them to tell me what's wrong with my car. We're gonna probably Uber back to the mall still to, just so when the car's finished here, if we don't gotta spend another night, we can just get back on the road. Cause, you know, and I guess we just gonna bullshit at the mall till the car ready.
We're gonna find something to buy.
Yeah, we ain't got no choice. And my camera finna die. So ain't no telling when y'all gonna see me again. So yes, that's the
This is the
most
end of this
recent
story.
update.
Bye.